Hi, I'm Bob Miklos, inventor of the JetBum loading ramp. This product is amazing. It's so unique, the U.S. Patent Office issued a utility patent. The ramp was designed to load a personal watercraft, but it does so much more. It's 14 feet long, lightweight, easy to compact, and it's very strong. Oh, and the self-braking wheels, they make it super easy to unload. The best part? It's 2 ramps in one. If you are a contractor, a landscaper, a mover, you need this ramp.
JetBum, helping you unload everywhere.
Self-braking wheels. She can stop halfway if she gets tired.
JetBum, helping you unload everywhere.